everyone, it's Anne Marie. Today I have for you my January design team kit from Country Craft Creations. I actually hoped to bring this this video a week ago. However, I spent all last weekend in bed sick, and I apologize for my dorky voice because it's just hanging on. So today is January 1st, 2019. Happy New Year to all my crafty family and friends. So I am super excited about this one and what I received. I hadn't seen this in person yet, but this is Echo Park's I Love Crafting paper collection. And if you're watching my video, chances are you love crafting too. And so I'm so excited. My project is already half finished. Like I said, but then when I got sick, I got really angry when I got sick because I couldn't come in my craft room. I couldn't leave my bedroom. I was so upset. But anyway, so I'm on the mend now, and so looking forward to getting busy with this today. So this is the sticker sheet. First of all, let's talk about the colors in this collection. We have a lot of sage greens and some aquas and pinks and oranges. This is right up my alley. I know I say that every time. I love color. But anyway, so there's some really great stickers. It says art is therapy. Being creative is not a, what does that say? What's HORRY? Sorry. I don't know. It's a way of life. Love the little typewriter and the paint roller. How adorable. Make life pretty. Make pretty things. Ooh, I think that's somebody's tagline. I'm not sure we can say that. Anyway, craft like no one's watching. That one cracks me up. Create beauty. This one, I say this all the time, crafting is my jam. These right here are my personal readers. Of course, you have to have some pink scissors and the bicycle. This is one of my favorite. I see these memes all over Facebook. I can't clean my craft room because I get distracted by all the good stuff that I find, which is true because I cleaned out, or I tried to straighten up my craft room. Let's just say I got everything off the floor, and I swept the carpet, but yeah, it's very true. I found a lot of stuff that I forgot that I bought. I'm sure you all have the same issues. But yeah, look at all these fantastic stickers. This is going to be so much fun to use. So, okay, sorry, I'm getting excited. All right, so here are the, what are these, 3x4 cut aparts? This is my happy place. There's that artist therapy again. This cup, I love this. It says, drink your caffeine. We have crafts to do. Oh, that's funny. Crafting is my jam. Been there, pinned that. I have this. Oh, this is so funny. I'm so crafty, I sweat glitter. I don't know if you can see this, but my coffee cup. Oh, I'm going to try to turn it. Oh, you can't see it, but you'll just have to trust me. There is a glue gun there, and on the front it says Little Miss Crafty Pants. Anyway, that's funny. But I do have another cup that says I craft so hard I sweat glitter. Creativity is messy. I am very creative. I don't always craft. Oh wait, yes I do. Crafty and happy. These are awesome. And there's the back. Look at that. It's just adorable. Look at the little... Does everybody remember these little watercolor paints? That's probably where it all started for me when I was young. I used to love to get these. Painted everything. Okay, so who doesn't love that pattern? Absolutely love it. This little bouquet of flowers here makes me so happy. Look at that on the back. I don't know what those flowers are. I don't know, but the name of that paper is Fancy Floral. We go back to this one. This one doesn't have a name on it. I guess it's both sides called Fancy Floral. Here we go with this one. Look at that little planners. I don't do planners. I'm going to try to get into that. I probably should. Look at the little magazine holder. Little jar of buttons. We all have jars of buttons. And the glue guns. And on the back is this beautiful floral. This is Crafty and Happy. This one says, let me see, the name of this one is Maker's Gonna Make. Oh, that's going to be my new thing, Maker's Gonna Make. Crafting is always a good idea. Crafting Queen, I think we all wear that proudly. Make life pretty. Crafting is a way of life, a work at heart. Do what makes you happy. Sew in love, can't see that, sorry. SEW. And there's the back. Yes, this is, it was showing up on my screen. This is just as vibrant a red as it looks on my screen with the little yellow stars. Adorable. So here are some 4x6 cut aparts. Take a snap. Mess with my fabric and I'll rip your seams out. Right, that's probably fun. I'm laughing harder at that than I probably should, but that's funny. Do more of what makes you happy. Very, very good advice. There says happy flowers again. Hello, wildflowers, you are beautiful. Make pretty things. Oh, this is cute. These are just little polka dots with all the B sides of the papers that we've seen so far. How cute is that? And that's called journaling, 4x6 journaling cards. Doesn't have a name. Here we go. This is cute. This is basically it's the background of all the stickers from the sticker page. Oh, that's a smart idea. Uh-oh. This is going to make me very, very happy. Oh my God, look at that page. Oh my God, I love me some plaid. Oh, love it, love it, love it. And this one's called Create Beauty. Can you tell I've been cooped up for a week? Sorry, everybody. Oh, I love this page. I hope you can see that okay. It says crafting, creative, scrapbooking, maker, sewing, dream, inspire, laugh, and all these really pretty colors. I love that. Here's the back. Oh, I love some stripes as much as I love plaid. And this is called Inspiring Words. Oh, this one's very, very pretty. A pretty floral. Super cute. Little sewing machines. This one's called Pretty Flowers. Oh, this one's nice. Reminds me of blueprints. Yep. There we have polka dot. Oh no, they're all little stars, all different sizes of stars. This one's called So Lovely. Oh my goodness, there's more. These are probably these 4x4 cut aparts. This is super cute. Here's a computer with a calendar. This is my happy place. This is awesome. Make life pretty. Okay, this is cute. Never underestimate a woman with a glue gun. How true is that? Maker's Gonna Make. Create Beauty. Crafting is always a good idea. And Crafting Queen. These are not polka dots so much as they are little, I don't know, they remind me of jelly beans. But they're cute. Here's another. What is this pattern called? Can't think of the word. But all these little saying, let's make art, make pretty things, crafty girl, I can make that, handmade goodness, crafting is a way of life, love the process, try new things, DIY queen, super cute. Oh, and another cute stripe. This page is called DIY Queen. This one I love also. because these are things that are right on my desk, right in front of me. My glasses, my scissors, a pen. Well, I don't have a calligraphy pen, but a pen, a pencil, you know, everything that we all have. Oh, this is awesome. And this is called Make Pretty Things. And that's all I have for the actual pattern papers and the stickers. I did also get the 6x6 for myself. I bought myself a 6x6 and I bought the ephemera pack. So I'll be using that in the project as well. But also in my design team kit, I am in love with anything that's authentic. And even more so since Tammy Merrill's very first retreat in Utah, which was that last year? I think so. I think it was 2017. We actually had the pleasure of getting to meet the owners of Authentique, and I'd already loved their paper and, you know, all their products. But then when we actually got to meet them and just realized that it really, you know, they are very, very passionate about what they do and how they listen to us, and, you know, their customers love them even more. But so this is actually their Spectrum cardstock paper. This is I think some of the, I just want to pet this paper all day. It's a nice weight. I love to use this for tags. Many times I use this for the pages in my mini albums. But anyway, so you can see the collection that I got. I got 2 sheets of each. One side is these beautiful polka dots. The other side is this fantastic stripe. Actually, these 2 colors are slightly different. These are 2 different pages. No, it's the same. They're both robin's egg. And then you can see I got the beautiful orange blossom. Then I got blackjack and tickled pink and mustard seed. And all these colors tied back perfectly with the I Love Crafting paper collection. So I cannot wait to get started with that. And then the goodies that were in the collection, the other goodies actually, in my design team box, I'm sorry. I got one of these mini hardware handles. I'm going to take it out. There we go. I'm sure you've all seen these. Oh, come on, focus. This is just gorgeous. I absolutely love this. I'll show you in a minute what I'm going to do with that. So that is in there. I got the Echo Park enamel dots that go with the collection. Look how perfect those are. Then there's some Graphic 45 metal brads. I actually have some of these in my stash. I forgot I had them until I got this box. So you can see they're all brads. Then there's some beautiful, look how perfect, Prima flowers that match the collection perfectly. See the mint green and the aqua and the pink. And then inside here there is I didn't take this out of the paper yet, but there's a frame. Oh, that's plastic. Oh, I should probably read this because, I got excited for a minute because I thought it was a embossing folder, but there's, if you can see it, can you see the design there on the edges? That's going to be gorgeous. So anyway, and then I got all the, oops, you can kind of see the pink in there. The beautiful green, the pink, some white, and some black seam binding. And this is that, I think this is called Swiss Dot ribbon. It's just so beautiful. Again, I just love to pet it. So that is everything that I got in my design team kit. So looking forward today. Let me just, where to go? So you can look at the pretty stickers. I can't wait to get going Actually, I've already got, like I said, I've already got it started. I will give you a little sneak peek. If you promise not to tell anybody, I will give you a sneak peek. I know it's not much. There's a box. That's all I'm saying so far. That's all I'm telling you. But anyway, so that that is the start of my project. I am working on the goodie that goes inside the box, and I just can't wait with all this goodness to put it all together and bring you the project. So hopefully I will have that done. I'm gonna shoot for the end of this weekend to have the tutorial video up. See how it goes, see how I feel. But anyway, so that is my design team kit. I know this is supposed to be a super quick kind of sneak peek of what's to come, but I haven't talked to you guys in such a long time. So, oh, and the other thing is, I am going to, because it is 12:25 here on the East Coast. I am going to go ahead and do another video, so stay tuned for that, and draw the winner of my YouTube subscriber giveaway. So anyway, stay tuned for that. And actually check back in a week or so, or not a week, by the end of the weekend, I should have the project up. If anything changes, I will let you know. Thanks everybody. Thanks for putting up with me. I know I sound horrible. That's why I can't go back and watch this one, because, yeah. Anyway, so Happy New Year, everybody, and I'll talk with you all soon. Thanks.